Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to conveniently show the battery percentage on your iPhone? With the new iOS 16 update, it is now possible to see the battery percentage on the toolbar on top of your device. In this video, I will show you how to enable this new feature. Let's go. Go to Settings and navigate to Battery. Then make sure that the battery percentage toggle is enabled. However, please note that this function would only work for iPhones that have a notch. Thus, if you're using either iPhone 11, XR, or minis, this feature will not be available. Remember that you can still see the battery percentage icon while it is still charging. If you haven't updated to iOS 16 yet, you can still view your battery percentage through the Control Center. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.